According to a recent study, more than 500,000 Americans take at least $50,000 worth of prescription drugs annually, and the prices of these drugs are going up every year. The harmful effects of rising drug prices go beyond just the patients who need new, innovative, and sometimes life-saving treatments. Everyone pays for the cost of higher drug prices, whether through rising insurance premiums and out-of-pocket costs or higher taxes needed to fund government programs like Medicare and Medicaid. Even businesses must pay more for coverage for their employees. Making matters worse, more and more new drugs are being introduced with prices that exceed tens of thousands and hundreds of thousands of dollars for one course of treatment. These drugs are often used to treat a large group of patients, putting a strain on the entire healthcare system. So what's to blame? A broken prescription drug market that defies economics. In just about all industries, old technology gets cheaper and cheaper every year. For pharmaceuticals, the longer a brand name drug is for sale, the higher its price goes. So what do? Changing the way we pay for drugs is an important step. As plans create coverage options for consumers, they're using new approaches to provide access to treatments consumers would never be able to afford without coverage. In the past, providers were paid for every healthcare service they provided, like doctor's visits and lab tests, whether it helped a patient or not. Health plans are working with providers and pharmaceutical companies to find new ways to connect payment to positive outcomes and to improve the value of medications for patients. Limits on how much individuals pay out of pocket for drugs also protect consumers from soaring drug costs. Health plans typically pay more than 90% of the cost of drugs used to treat complex or rare conditions, and as much as 99% of the cost for those with very low incomes. When it comes to helping consumers access and afford the care they need, health plans can't do it alone. The pharmaceutical industry must join health insurers, hospitals, physicians, policymakers, and consumers to figure out how to foster medical innovations at sustainable prices.